Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for XRP price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This one is gonna be of course taken into consideration in the dominance analysis later on. Of course, as I said and mentioned in the FET video, we're gonna take the XRP, FET, Solana and Ethereum and probably one more altcoin, and to make an analysis regarding as well the dominance, the BTC dominance, to check of course if we have an alt season after probably this drop down, that it is possible to happen of course for Bitcoin, and to see the estimation of course of the situation for the altcoin if we're gonna get an alt season. So starting on the daily, on the weekly actually, here we have a 1 2 3 4 5 for XRP. We have finished wave 1 or wave A. After both case scenario, you would like to have ABC correction or WXY. In this case, it is a WXY. Zigzag for A, zigzag for X, sorry, W and X, zigzag for X, and of course a triangle for your wave Y. Finishing a wave 2 or a wave B, and of course you want to look for higher prices. Now, as you can see, we have finished probably an impulse toward the upside, very clear impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. As we know, for XRP, for the future, I mean, for several cycles next, we are expecting a very high price action, 477. And that because if we are in the ABC as a logarithmic chart, and we know that crypto works in logarithmic scale much more than linear. Of course, we are looking for an ABC toward the upside. Your wave C has to repeat the same almost impulse of your wave A. Meaning if we take this a wave toward the upside here, we're gonna see that it's gonna reach, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level on the logarithmic scale. And as you can see, even this wave 1 has repeated itself already from now. And of course, after this wave 1, you are expecting a wave 2 here as 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. So basically, we are looking at a repetition kind of like of this wave 1 here in this impulse for your wave A. Probably we're gonna get, of course, a wave 2 and then a continuation to the upside. So maybe our bear market, which is corrective, of course, it has to be corrective, 3 waves down and then moving toward the upside in 5 waves, of course, impulsive for the upcoming cycle. So of course we have several cycles. So we have a cycle which it could be bearish. Don't forget it can be a longer one, and then having a new cycle which is bullish, then a longer cycle which is bearish, and then wave 5 of course as a new cycle in bearish. Meaning, guys, minimum 2023 probably until we reach, of course, this price action $400 for XRP. Now let's stay on the linear fib level where we have touched the 1-to-1 fib level on linear fib levels, which is perfect for your wave 1 probably here, and next coming a wave 2 later on. We have an ABC estimated, of course, to come later, and probably one more leg toward the upside in case we are still bullish. However, if you take a look, of course, here, if you calculate, I mean, you think about it in risk management between win and loss ratio, I mean, of course, it is a little bit risky to take this one small leg toward the upside just for a little bit higher to take the all-time high, while it might, of course, move for a wave 2, which it can reach, of course, the perfect fib level between the 0.618, 0.786, with exactly those prices here. In case we are still looking for a wave 4, we have reached anyway the 0.23, which it might be an A, a B, and a C toward the upside. This wave C can be your Altseason answer. So let's take a look closer at it and take a look here at the 4-hour chart. We can see on the 4-hour chart, after having this wave 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 1, very long, of course, WXY for your wave 2, and then starting, of course, a new impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to finish your wave 3 perfectly, of course, with this scenario. As you can see, higher amount, of course, for your wave 3, very perfect, and of course, another high amount here that we see that it might be, of course, another reversal, or it can be, of course, your wave C for a finished wave 4. Very, very probably as well. Now let's analyze this area. This area is the answer for what is coming next, of course. So as we can see, very corrective. Definitely this is 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and probably WXY then. Yeah, we're looking here at kind of WXY, finished in, of course, a zigzag here. And then we're looking at a 3 waves to the upside, meaning we have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and probably 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5, probably, in case of course we didn't finish in an expanding diagonal, right, which is the most rare case scenario, but probably as well taking one more low at least to finish a wave 5 and 4 and a 5 4 and a 5 double, because you have double 1 2, right? You might have of course 4 and again one more wave 5, and then of course moving for the Altseason, probably hitting the 0.38, which is still a perfect fib level for a wave 4, and then start of course for higher prices. So basically one more low or double lows, because we have double 1 2 again, probable, yeah, are very probable, and then yeah, we might get an Altseason toward the upside with one wave of course for a high price action. So I would say 1 point again for the altcoin season, that it might come, but after yeah, one more low again. We saw this also in the FET. We saw of course as well almost the same time required for FET, that we need a little bit one more low, and we might start of course a move towards the upside again. So it is very possible as well to have this move, which it can be your Altseason answer. If we take a look also at the KGT and the 5-minute chart, we can see, of course, the bear signals are very in convergence towards the downside with the price action. And of course, we got a divergence here with a buy signal, but however, it's directly it was followed by a bearish signal. It couldn't move even a little bit higher before giving us this signal, and then it moves down directly. So look at the difference between the strongest bullish signal and the strongest selling signal. First time I see it very close like this. Is this the strongest? Yes, it is the strongest. 500. So yeah, it doesn't look really good still. So one more low as expected, still of course in the horizon. Yeah, one more low, and then probably start estimation for an Altseason move toward the upside. Yeah, so that was it for XRP. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.